In this video, I'll show you how you can reorder or rearrange any filter with Elementor and Gutenberg. So let's start with Elementor. So at first, select our filter, and then you will see the option Edit Dynamic AJAX Filter. In content, the third option is for Manage. Here you'll see the option for Manage Order and Show and Hide. And from here, you can manage the filter order. So let's change their position. Let's add category at the top and click Publish. And if we visit our test page and reload our page, see our category is appearing at the first position. And I have done this with Elementor. That's how you can change any filter position as you want. And now I'll show you this reorder with Gutenberg. So let's visit our dashboard. And from here, we need to go to the widget. And here, let's choose WooCommerce sidebar. And this is our filter. And from this form manage option, and from here we can also change our filter position at our shop page. So let's change price range to top and click update. And now visit our shop page. If you reload the page, you'll see the price range is above. That's how you can change all the position as per your site need with the help of Gutenberg. So that's how you can change your filter position with Elementor and Gutenberg.